parallelogram ABCD has the following details. DP is given to be 10 units. DP is given to be 3 units. They are expecting you to find OQ. Given the fact that segment PQ passes through the point of intersection of the two diagonals, DB and AC, and segment PQ is given to be perpendicular to one of the sides of the parallelogram AD, right? Let's go about solving for OQ. The first thing that you would do is to focus on triangle DPO, which is a right triangle. Now, in triangle DPO, the hypotenuse is DO. Hypotenuse DO happens to be half the length of segment DB, where DB is one of the diagonals of the parallelogram, and we all know that diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other, and that being the case, DO is the result of bisection of DB. That being so, DO becomes half of DB, which is therefore 5 units. So now we found DO to be 5 units. It's a right triangle, and therefore PO becomes 4 units. The question in front of us is to find OQ. Let's focus on the fact that AD is parallel to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and that gives you DP parallel to CQ. And if that is the case, if PQ is the transversal to DP and CQ, it has to be perpendicular to CQ also. Why? Because same side interior angles theorem comes into the picture, right? So, so you have PQ being perpendicular to BC. Focus on triangle QOB. In triangle QOB, you have OQB, which is a right angle. You have QOB congruent to DOP, vertical angles theorem. And that being the case, you realize the fact that you have triangle QOB having OB also 5 units, making the triangles ODP congruent to triangle OBQ. And the reason for this is angle side theorem of congruency. And if this is the case, if these two triangles are congruent, you can easily say DP is congruent to BQ. And the reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. CPCTC. CPCTC. And therefore, BQ also becomes 3 units. You get OP congruent to OQ. Same reason, CPCTC, and therefore OQ also becomes 4 units. That's how you solve for the missing value, which is OQ, and that turns out to be 4 units. Please drop in your comments. If there is anything else that you need to see clarifications on, let me know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.